8" in front of the torso. Smith & Wesson 686 357 Magnum. Going to be shooting my hunting load using the Hornady 180 grain HP-XTP, and these are the good load. I know that shoots well. I was shooting them yesterday, except my sight was screwing up and I had to take it apart and clean it, and hopefully it's better. I'm going to take a shot at 100 yards. Okay, that's going to be good enough, I think, but I'll take one more shot. I think that had to be me. Damn, I hope it's me. I can't trust myself, so I'm going to use that rest. Yesterday my eye was messing up, but my hands were steady. Today my eyes are real nice and my hands are unsteady, but the gun is shooting perfectly now. Same load, a different case. That high center one, that's pretty good. One more shot. There, so those two right here, they're both shooting about the same, so those are both good loads.